Okay, so today we're going to be showing you, or I am going to be showing you how to replace a hatch wiper motor. Okay, of course the first thing you have to do if your wipers are not working is to go and check your fuse. In this case though, the fuse is okay and it's not nuked, and so I am going to change the motor. I can hear that when I turn it on that it's trying to make some noise there, but it's not, the wiper is not doing its job. So I'm going to be replacing the motor, and that's our video today, how to replace a wiper motor. Alright? Okay.
No problem. So what you do is you usually come in here and there's going to be a screw right there that you need to remove that, and there's going to be two more screws here, and then we can start removing the whole panel out. Alright, so we're going to get our socket wrench. Alright, we're going to get our socket wrench that we're going to be using today. It's actually number 10. It's number 10 socket wrench. Okay, so let's do that. The socket wrench, here we go. So we're going to remove this counterclockwise. Almost. That's it. Okay, so we put this over here where we can find it again. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is right here. See this? See this? You're going to pry this open, these tabs, and there's two screws there. One there and one there. So you're going to do the same thing there. Alright, here. That too needs to come off. There. Okay, got one screw. Now the other one. There. Now second screw's out. Okay. So now that the screws are removed, this panel, there are clips in the back, and we just kind of like pull it. The handle comes off. There. There. See how it unsnaps as you pull and go around and remove it? And the same thing there on the other side. There you go. See? Now we remove the panel. We'll put this on the side for now. Here somewhere. Okay. And alright, so what we're gonna do, actually, there. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the motor. I'm just showing you how to change the motor, wiper motor, rear wiper motor. So we remove this. Take that out too. Okay. Alright. Almost. Take that out. And we loosen off from this side. There. Take this out. Okay, and you kind of wiggle this a little bit, and that should come off. Hold on, let me put this screw down. What we do, we kind of just wiggle that until it comes off there. See, it came off. Now, we got 2 more screws we're going to remove, and then we should be done. Got a little extension here for my there. Now we go in here and remove this. Next one. There. I think that's like a little bit more. So that came out. Okay. So what you do now, you just take the whole motor out from in there, that, and order this motor. There's a connector here, you remove it, okay? And I did this job like yesterday. This is a new motor for my wipers. I'm just showing you how to disassemble your motor. Replace this if it doesn't work. If your wiper on the back doesn't work, first you want to check your fuse. But if your fuse are okay, then your motor is probably shut or dead. So now this is what you want to buy. It's got the part number over here. Or you can look for it and find it on eBay and just type in your make and model. Okay. So now to put it back, it's just a reversal of dismantling the whole thing. So we're gonna put it back. This is my new motor. Put it back. And then this goes in here, fit that in there, and put the screws back all together. So we'll do this one first. We're gonna put the screws back. Line up the holes where the screws goes in, and kind of like semi-tighten it. Do not tighten it too much, just semi-tighten it. And then put the other screw. Make sure it's lined up with the hole. All right. Tighten it all the way. There. Now this one, tighten it all the way. Tighten it. There. Now we put all the other screws back here. Be careful not to over tighten, because I broke one screw. You don't want to do the same thing I did. Hold the motor down while you're tiring on the arm. Oh, rest a little bit. Okay, hold on. Tighten up. Here we go. Put all the screws back. All right. Make sure the rest are lined up with the hole, and then we can put our screws back one more by hand to get it started. All right.
Tighten all the way.
Yeah, nice and tight. Okay, so now we put the last screw back on the other side. Here. Oh, wait. I'll put this back. Put the wipers and install the wipers. Now put the screw by hand to get it started. Okay. Now we tighten it. That's tight enough. All right. There you go. Now it's already installed. All right. So now put all the panels back. You put all the panels back. They just clip back. Line them up with the rest, and they all clip back in place. Yeah. Press them back in place. They snap back in place. Alright, and now put the screws back. Don't over tighten. Get to the two more screws. Put this back over here. There. Yeah. Put this screw back and the handle. Get your wrench. That's it. One more screw, and we're done. And we test the wipers. There you go. Works all right. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again on our next video. Thank you for watching.